Palantir Technologies. Who are they? What do they do? And is it a company that you should be invested in? In this video, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Now, we know that Iron Man has Jarvis, Batman has Alfred, and the United States of America has Palantir Technologies. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here with VectorVest, and if you're not a part of the VV Nation already, please do me a favor, click that subscribe button, join us, turn on the bell notifications because you never want to miss a video that we post. So Palantir Technologies is what we're talking about today. They were listed on the exchange yesterday. You can go out and you can buy shares of this company. So who are they? What do they do? Is it going to be a good investment for you? We're going to cover all of these things in this video today. So first things first, Palantir Technologies, who are they? Founded in 2003, Palantir Technologies builds and deploys software platforms for the intelligence community in the United States to assist in counterterrorism investigations and operations. They empower companies to take the data that they have and access that information in a way that makes it easy for people to make decisions that could be potentially life-saving decisions in a matter of seconds. Now, this is taken directly from their website. Palantir helps power real-time decisions. Institutions have the data they need to make the best decisions for safety, stability, and prosperity, but too often their data is fragmented and locked in silos. The people on the front lines of our most important problems don't have the information they need when they need it most. At Palantir, they build software that lets organizations integrate their data, their decisions, and their operations into one platform. Their software empowers entire organizations to answer complex questions quickly by bringing the right data to the people who need it. Now, at the beginning of the video, I mentioned Batman with Alfred and Iron Man with Jarvis. This is exactly what Palantir Technologies is doing, and it couldn't be more evident by one of the projects they have. They call it Project Gotham. Now, what do they do with Project Gotham? I can't get into all the technicalities of it and the technical aspects of the data because that's not just something I understand. I don't understand all the intricacies of data analysis and stuff like that. So let's just look at a nutshell of what they do, and this is their Project Gotham that they have. So they start with data from multiple sources, and then they fuse that data into a human-centric model. They tag, secure, and track all of the data, and finally they bring the data to life for human-driven analysis. Now, this is what's most important. When we're talking about the superheroes of the day, we're not talking about supercomputers, and we might not even be talking about people that are out on the front lines, but we're talking about the guys that are behind the desk, that are analyzing the data that they have available and making real-time decisions on stuff that can be as crucial as counterterrorism acts. So the Project Gotham allows humans to access this data in a way that they see fit. It almost humanizes the data so that they can go in and say, okay, this is what I need to look at. Allow Project Gotham to analyze and sort and bring to the forefront the most important data for what I'm currently seeing. I'm able to talk to the computer in a way and access this data in a way that just previously wasn't available. So now that we know a little bit about what they do, let's talk about whether or not this is going to be a good investment for you. So here at VectorVest, we always recommend buying safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price in a rising market. And of course, this is a little bit harder with companies who just directly listed and who just started trading on the open market. So it's a little bit harder to analyze the company for things like safety and performance over time and stuff like that. So keep that in mind when we're doing this analysis. But the stock started trading yesterday on September 30th at around $10 a share. The company first recommended that it trade around $7.50 per share, but it first started trading at $10 per share Of course, it went up a little bit, then it went down a little bit, and now it's currently trading at around $9.50 per share. So this is definitely accessible by almost everybody. You're gonna be able to afford this stock. It's not a Google or Amazon. It doesn't cost $2,000-$3,000 a share. So at $10 a share, you are definitely able to purchase this stock if it's something you're interested in. So I say that it went up a little bit and it went down a little bit, and now it's trading around $9.50. So what do I mean by that? It peaked at around $11.40 per share, and it dipped to about $9.20 per share. So it had a healthy little 10%, 15% increase, and then it fell back down to about $9.20 per share, and it evened out. It's still trading right around the initial price of about $10 at around $9.50 per share right now. So data analytics, data accessibility, it's nothing new, but it's not going anywhere anytime soon. We live in a digital world. We need to have access to data, and trust me, think about it. Everything that you do on a daily basis, all of the data inputs, all of the data that you look at and you have access to, what better technology do you need than something that allows a human to access the most important parts of the data, that allows a human to say, this is what I'm seeing right now, please provide me with the data that I need to make a decision, and to make a decision fast. And this is exactly what Palantir Technologies does. It's not like this company was started yesterday. They were originally founded in 2003, and they were funded by a branch of the CIA in the United States of America. So this isn't just some guy that started it in his garage. They have the backing, they have the history, they've been in business. And have you seen the CEO of Palantir Technologies? This is a guy you want for you. I know we talked about Alfred at the beginning of the video. This could be your Alfred right here. This dude, it looks like he knows technology. So that could just be my opinion, but CEO of Palantir Technologies is possibly the next Alfred, especially with his project Gotham that he's got going on. So of course, with buying any stock that was just listed on the market, there's going to be a huge amount of volatility, but this could be the absolute best time to get in before things start to blow up, before they start to make everything public that they're doing and people actually see how amazing this company is. So at $10 a share, this company has a market cap of around $20 billion. It's nothing to sneeze at. It's not a small company by any means, and I don't see them going out of business anytime soon. But with that being said, $10 a share is definitely accessible by the majority of the public. So if data accessibility and data technology is something that you're interested in, this is definitely a stock that you should consider for future growth, for holding on to for a while, not just getting in and getting out, and then they can really have the potential and they really have the power to change the world. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and until the next time, I hope all of you have an awesome day.